डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड 5, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको साइंस का चैप्टर 7 का ऑब्जेक्टिव और सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाने जा रही हूँ. सो ऑल ऑफ यू गेट रेडी विथ नोटबुक, बुक, साइंस बुक, पेन एंड पेंसिल. ओके, तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाने जा रही हूँ, आंसर्स करवाने जा रही हूँ. सो ये आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन ब्रीफ. ये आपको बुक के पेज नंबर 66 में मिलेगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 शॉर्ट में आपको आंसर देना. व्हाट प्रोटेक्ट्स आवर हार्ट एंड लंग्स? आंसर इज द रिब केज प्रोटेक्ट्स आवर हार्ट एंड लंग्स. वेरी इजी. Question number 2, which part of the skull is movable? Answer is the facial region contain 40 bones, among which only the lower jaw movable. Okay, is movable. Question number 3, what kind of movements do the ball and socket joints allow? Answer is ball and socket joints allow lots of movement in every direction. पूरे direction movement करता है. Question number 4, what are hinge joints found? Where are hinge joints found? Answer is the hinge joints are found in the elbows, knees, fingers and toes. Question number 5, define spinal cord. Spinal cord को define कीजिए. Answer is the spinal cord is a large number of nerves that sends information from the brain to the rest of the body. ठीक है, ये इंफॉर्मेशन नर्व्स के थ्रू कनेक्ट होके पूरे बॉडी को भेजता है ब्रेन से लेकर. क्वेश्चन नंबर ई, दैट इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन डिटेल. ये लॉन्ग है आपका. डिस्क्राइब द ह्यूमन स्केलेटल सिस्टम. आंसर इज the bones in the human body make up a hard structure called the human skeletal system. It provides a frame for the human body and supports it. The adult human skeleton has 206 bones. It consists of the skull, the backbone, the rib cage and two pairs of limbs, namely forelimbs or arms and hind limbs or legs. Okay. Now question number 2. List the function of the skeletal system. Give examples to explain. Answer is function of the skeletal system are first protection. The skull protects the brain. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord. Support. The vertebral column hold the body upright. Third movement. ये सारा function है skeletal system का. It makes the body flexible and helps the body parts to move. Shape. Gives shape to the body. And fifth is blood production. Red blood cells to carry oxygen and white blood cells to protect against infection are produced in the bone marrow of small bones. Question number 3. What are the 4 types of movable joints? Describe in detail. 4 types of movable joints are hinge joints, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, gliding joint. Hinge joint. It is found in the elbows, knees, fingers and toes. It works like the hinges of a door. We can bend our arms and legs in one direction. The ball and socket joint, the shoulder and hip joints are ball and socket joint. They allow lots of movement in every direction. The pivot joint, it is found between the skull and the first two vertebrae of the spine. It allows us to move our head sideways, upward and downward. The gliding joints occur between the surface of two flat bones that are held together by ligaments. It is found in the wrist, ankle and between any two vertebrae of the spine. It allows our back to bend, turn and twist at each joint. Question number 4. What are the 3 types of muscles? How are they different from each other? 3 types of muscles are voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, cardiac muscles. Voluntary muscles, the muscles which are under our control and are attached to the skeleton. Examples of voluntary muscles are muscle of our hands and legs. Involuntary muscles, the muscles which are not under our control. Examples of involuntary muscles are movement of food from small intestine to the large intestine or the flow of blood in the body. Cardiac muscles, it is a specialized muscle found in the heart. It is responsible for the contractions that pump blood through the body. Question number 5, describe limbs. There are 2 pairs of limbs, namely forelimbs and hind limbs. The forelimbs or arms stretch from the shoulder to the fingertips. It is joined to the spine through the shoulder girdles. The hind limbs or legs are large and strong to help support the body weight. The femur in the hind limbs is the longest bone in the body. नाउ हम ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्वेश्चन आंसर में आ चुके हैं। तो ये आपको बुक के पेज नंबर 63 में मिलेगा। सीरियस और जोकिंग, द शोल्डर एंड हिप जॉइंट्स have ball and socket joints. Serious, in our body all the joints are movable. Joking, जैसे true false हम लोग करते हैं। Femur is the longest body in the body. Serious, the hip joint is a pivot joint. Joking, the jaw enables us to talk and eat. Serious, अब ये हॉर्स है, इसमें वॉलेंट्री और इनवॉलेंट्री आपको भरना है। तो क्लैपिंग जो कि वॉलेंट्री है, सर्कुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड इनवॉलेंट्री है, थिंकिंग वॉलेंट्री है, ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ फैट्स बाय द बॉडी इनवॉलेंट्री है, टॉकिंग वॉलेंट्री है, ब्रीथिंग रेट इनवॉलेंट्री है, हार्ट बीट इनवॉलेंट्री। अब क्विक क्विज, नेम द फॉलोइंग, द बिगेस्ट मसल, द ग्लूटियस मैक्सिमस, स्मॉलेस्ट मसल, स्टेपेडियस, लॉन्गेस्ट मसल, सर्टोरियस। ओके, नाउ ऑब्जेक्टिव जो आपके बुक के पेज नंबर 65 में है, अंडरलाइन द करेक्ट आंसर, हम टिक भी लगा सकते हैं। तो व्हाट मेक्स अप द स्केलेटल सिस्टम? बोन्स, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ पार्टली मूवेबल जॉइंट? रेप, which of the following is an example of an immovable joint? Skull. What is the smallest bone in the body? Stirrup. The bones in our spine are called vertebrae. The patella is located in the knee. What is the center of a bone? Bone marrow. अब ये ऑब्जेक्टिव आपके बुक के पेज नंबर 66 में है। 8. When you drink milk, you provide the significant mineral to keep our bones healthy and working well. Answer is calcium. Fill in the blanks. Human skull is made up of 22 bones. Skull भराएगा इसमें। Cardiac muscle is a sliced form of muscle found only in the heart. The muscle in our body contract and relax to do a task and produce movement. Bones are held together at the joints by ligaments. The skeletal system consists of the skull, the backbone, the rib cage, and 2 pair of limbs. Now give one word for the following. These muscles are under our control and attached to the skeletal, voluntary muscles. This joint is found in the elbows, knees, fingers and toe. Hinge joint. This joint is found in the wrist and ankle. Guiding joint. A large bundle of nerves that send information from the brain to the rest of the body. Spinal cord. These muscles are not under our control. Involuntary muscle. True, false. The shoulder and hip joints are pivot joints. False. The vertebral column holds the body upright. True. The involuntary muscles are not under our control. True. The heart and the lungs are protected by the skull. False. The task of moving the body from one place to another belongs to the muscles. True. इस तरीके से आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव और सब्जेक्टिव कंप्लीट हो गया है। आप सारे बच्चे बुक में नोट डाउन कर लोगे, बुक में बना लोगे। टिल देन टेक केयर, थैंक यू।